Hi, my name's Rachel. I work for a marketing agency based in Brighton. As an agency, we help our clients with all manner of marketing issues. But one of the key areas of expertise that we really needed to develop was to do with Facebook advertising. So that's pretty much why we're here. It's just something that we need to hone in order to market our own agency and our own business, but also to use so we can help our clients. So far, the really practical strategies that I've learned on the course so far will really help us to bring in more leads to our business and help our clients with that too. So it's about increasing awareness of what we do to a wider market and converting that into sales for our business. One of the biggest things I've learned is the difference on social media between different types of content that you can put out there. So as it stands, we do a lot of sharing of our content, which is good in terms of influencing the people who follow us on things like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. But there's different varieties of content that we could be using to better network with people and to actually sell our stuff. So that's been quite eye-opening, and I think going forwards we'll sort of look again at our social strategy. If you're currently thinking about whether the digital marketing masterclass is for you, that's no matter whether you've got your own business or if you're an employee and you're working in a marketing agency and you need to develop your own skill set. 100% would recommend. It's well worth the investment, and the amount I've learned in these 3 days is quite overwhelming, but I know I've got the tools to implement the stuff I've learned as well, so absolutely go for it.